Hello and welcome to another adult craft kit. This month's craft will be a bottle cap Christmas tree picture. I am Trina with the Belleville Public Library and I work as a library assistant in the Information Services Department. Thank you for registering for this month's craft kit. Please join me in making this cute Christmas picture. Included in your kit you will find 12 bottle caps, 1 sheet of canvas, and 1 sheet of stickers. From home you will need 2 bottles of acrylic paint, 1 green and 1 brown, or any other color that you prefer. A paintbrush, 2 plastic containers, 1 filled with water, and E6000 glue or any industrial strength glue. These instructions are just guidelines. You are free to do what you like with your tree. Choose 10 of your bottle caps to begin painting green. Pour some paint into a cup. With a paintbrush, begin painting your bottle caps. They are going to require multiple coats. Acrylic paint should take no longer than an hour to dry. Take your last 2 remaining bottle caps and paint them brown or gray. Once your bottle caps are dry, you can place them on your canvas. When you are satisfied with how you would like your bottle caps positioned, take your glue and glue the bottle caps in place. Take your sheet of stickers and begin placing them where you would like them. You now have a Christmas picture you can place anywhere in your home or gift it if you want to. Thank you for joining us this month for our adult craft kit. I hope you enjoyed making it. I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and be safe.